Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate Prism syntax highlighter inside your React.js application. So Prism is a very popular syntax highlighter library. So you can add any support for any programming language that you have: JavaScript, CSS, HTML, PHP. So you can see on your screen we have integrated this text editor where the user can directly write JavaScript code, and automatically the code will be syntax highlighted, and you can see I'm directly typing the code. And in this way you can directly copy paste any JavaScript code. So if I just copy this code and paste it inside this text area, you will see the code will be highlighted. So the package is very simple in React.js. It is called as React Simple Code Editor. If you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, React Simple Code Editor. So essentially this is actually the package. This is the command here. I have already installed it and it has got almost 284,000 weekly downloads. It's a popular package, and this is using PrismJS. If you don't know about PrismJS, it's a lightweight syntax highlighting library. So they do offer their official website as well. You can go to prismjs.com, and they do have a good documentation as well. So specifically you need this package. Alongside that, we also need the Prism package as well. So you also need to install the base PrismJS library as well alongside with this package. So you also need this package as well. So you just install this also. So now to get started, just make a simple functional component. And first of all, you need to import the actual editor, which will be coming from this package, React Simple Code Editor. Secondly, we also need to import the highlighting features from PrismJS. So highlight and the languages, it will all be coming from this PrismJS, and it actually contain these components, and we need to import the core package of Prism. So you can see Prism core it is called. So we import the highlighting and languages features from it. And for any language that you want to highlight, you do need to import their CSS file, which is contained inside this Prism. And also in this case, we are highlighting JavaScript code, and for this we need to import the CSS file for this. So first of all, we import the Prism JavaScript plugin. Alongside, we import which theme that you want to use. So Prism has multiple themes. So I'm using this theme right here, which is Prism Sunrise Light. We are importing the CSS file of this theme. So you can check the docs to find out the themes which it supports, and then you can replace your own theme. So we have a function, we have a variable here to keep track of which code the user will write. For this, we'll be using the useState hook, and we'll just have an initial value. We will just add this custom JavaScript function. So by default in the text area, this code will be present. So yeah, just use this useState. Now to embed the component, we use actually the editor, and it actually takes the code that you want to highlight inside value parameter. So we actually pass this code that needs to be highlighted. So if you refresh your application, so just go to the, so you don't see the text area. For showing the text area, we do need to bind a highlight function. So when we highlight this code, We just need to use the highlight function, which we are importing it from PrismJS. So inside this you pass the code and the language. So the language here will be JavaScript. So now if you see, this code is being highlighted, and apart from that you can even provide a custom padding. This will be, I will provide 10, so it will have some space, and then you can even change the font size as well. You can provide the font family, you can change it to any font family, and you can even change the font size as well in this way. You can give your own custom font as well, so you can see the font has also been changed. So in this way you can directly use this component to highlight any code that you want to use. Let's suppose in this you want to highlight PHP, you will write PHP right here. So you can highlight any language, and for that language you do need to import this import. And if you want to change the theme as well, you can use any theme of your choice. If you just go to the Prism GitHub page, you will see all the themes which are supported. If you go to the themes, so there is this components folder, and inside the components folder you will find out all the themes which they support. So there is a folder right here where you can see the themes which are supported. So this is, I think, is the themes folder, and here you can see all the themes which are supported. So I can replace this, change it to Prism Funky CSS. So now it has changed the theme right here. If you see, the colors have been changed. So if you want to see, you can paste any code of your choice in this text area. So whenever we paste, we do need to define a function right here. Whenever the value is changed, you can define this on value change function. So when the code is copy pasted, we can set the code to the code which is submitted. So now you can directly paste your code. So in this way, the highlighting will work. So each theme has different color combinations. So that's why you are seeing this yellow color. So you can change any theme using this, and we can change, let's suppose I want the dark theme, so Prism Dark. So now what happens, if you see, this is having a different color combination, so you can try out your own themes. Just replace whichever theme that you like, you can replace it right here. So I've given the code example in the description of this video. You can get started by using this example. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit that like button, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.